Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is WENDU ISAAC. If this is your first time here, thank you for joining. Today I'm sharing how I achieved this look. It's very simple, everyday look. I'm gonna start with my brows. It's always important to fill in your brows in the direction that your hair grows naturally, so that it looks natural and not boxed. So right now, because I have full hairs, I'm just concealing before I apply product, so I know where to apply products for the most natural finish. And then I'm going to go in with my pencil to fill in the ends, just to give it like some kind of structure. And then I'm going to finish with brow gel. Next, I'm just gonna clean the ends just one last time and pat everything down with my fingers, and then set that concealer with powder. If you can already tell, my skin is already prepped before I started this video. Check out my last reel to see my updated morning skincare routine. So now I'm just gonna go in with the Becca foundation. It's so sad that they're closing because of this pandemic. Support your friends and people in business, okay? Anyways, so back to the makeup tutorial. I've been seeing this trend on TikTok where people place their concealer differently, like how I place it, instead of the like full on under eye, and also placing the contour and blush a little bit higher, just to give an illusion of a snatched face. And I love it so far. Also, if you need the right brushes, check out Antonia Makeup Shop, the Antonia on Instagram. She has amazing brushes and makes blending so much easier. So now I'm just setting the concealer under my eye. I don't necessarily bake anymore, so I just set it and I move along. And next I am going to also like conceal, or rather highlight, the T-zone area, so my forehead, the bridge of my nose, underneath my chin. And I'm just going back with my foundation brush because I really don't want this to be overpowering or too much. I want it to be natural, so anywhere that I'm highlighting or anything that is too much, I'm just going back with my foundation brush to make it blended. And now I'm going to bronze my cheeks. Ooh, that's a lot of bronzer. I love this bronzer from Sephora. By the way, this hair band is from Sukoshi Mart on Instagram. They sell Korean skincare, and I saw it and I loved it and I bought it, and I'm obsessed with burnt orange these days. But that has nothing to do with this tutorial, so I'm gonna go back. So as I was saying, I'm bronzing my nose, and again I'm going back with the foundation brush everywhere because I just want everything to blend in seamlessly, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer and warm up my crease, and also like just use my powder as like an eyeshadow color, if that makes sense. But it's not really like eyeshadow, it's just to brighten up that area, just to bring a bit of texture and dimension, yeah. And now I'm setting my whole face with an e.l.f. powder. Actually, this is a bronzer that was just too light, and I use it as powder. And now I'm just kind of reverse contouring with that dark powder. And now I'm going in with this blush from Becca. Oh my gosh, I can't even believe like that Becca is closing. It's so sad, but here we are. And now I'm highlighting with this Fenty highlight. This is like my favorite highlight to use when I'm going for a soft look. Huda Beauty mascara, absolutely love it. You see the difference it makes when I finish applying. It has two sides, the curl and length and the volume. So I use the curl and length first, and then I go in with the volume parts. By the way, if watching people chew gum upsets you, I'm sorry. I don't know where my sense ran off to that I forgot to take it out. The way I'm chewing this gum as if they're paying me. Anyways, Fenty Beauty lip gloss, of course, to finish the look. And I'm setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus, and that's the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.